CYN Stock, is this the right time to buy? I'm going to answer everything around that in this short 1-minute video, so watch till the end. Cyngn Stock is just, it's gonna retrace quite hard, like compared to yesterday's performance, and it's not like I wasn't expecting, man. Like if I'll zoom out, like this is what my sketch looks like, and I'm gonna explain it right now in a second. But if you're new, I've done 34,000 videos and spent thousands of dollars on course mentorships over the last 4 years, and it's not exaggeration when I say I've seen this happen thousands of times. You can see how much videos I've made. For in my opinion, like if the price gives me this double break, then and only then I'll take it lower. That's it. Like I'm not even looking for anything bullish. I'm not saying that it cannot happen. It obviously could, but since it's a bearish bias, I'm not trying to make it complex, right, for me. So this is like at least what I've seen the most success with. And if there is a double break, there's nothing stopping me from taking things lower. So I'll keep an eye on that. If you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter.